See that? Yeah, that happened. Let me tell you how we got here. I've been buried in my new app Camber for the past few weeks, so it was about time my buddy Tyler and I got out for some shenanigans. We're having a rough winter here in Utah, which meant some trails opened up way earlier than they usually do. We figured we'd hit some easy snowpack just to get out for the afternoon. You know, nothing crazy, might have to shovel for a bit or run the winch out, no big deal. Until Ty got stuck. Like stuck. And that's where we'll pick up.
My turn to be stuck. Damn. That's pretty deep. Well, Merritt's turning around now and he's gonna tow me out.
All right, I'm gonna start pulling.
I'm moving a bit.
There we go. Yeah, you're going.
I'm not getting enough traction though.
You need to get up into the middle, and I'm just pulling you straight forward. We need to kind of pull you towards your passenger side. We can also snatch block to a tree on the passenger side, so it pulls you more to the passenger side.
That sounds good. Okay, just tell me when to punch it.
Okay, I'm gonna start pulling you now.
Be careful there.
Okay, let's try it one more time and see if I keep moving.
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Yeah, I got that whole thing, man. God, I should have brought my chainsaw.
Fucking hell, we just snapped the tree.
Okay,
Dude,
well...
that's not cool. What do we do now?
So no worries, we were able to do it by hand, no problem. The tree was already dead, so no harm, no foul. Except we still have a stuck truck. Attempt number 2, we're gonna try and pull them backwards. And we found a much better tree, and we wrapped it around 2 of them this time, so should hold.
Live tree. So we're pretty sure the culprit is... I'm resting on this ice, so the tires can't get any traction whatsoever. So next form of action, Merritt is so smart and is prepared with everything. We're gonna jack it up and shovel that ice out.
Now we are jacked up from the front so we can clear underneath the wheel well. We're also moving the snatch block further down to the base, hoping that gives us a little bit better grip down here. And just so happens we got some company who got stuck literally just 100 feet down from us right here, so we might be pulling them out as soon as we get Ty out. And if you're wondering the entire time why we haven't just driven the Jeep by here, it's because it is, like right here, is way less stable than where Ty got stuck here. So the odds of me sinking when I come around here are pretty high. And then we have 2 cars stuck beside each other. But that will be our last resort if we can't figure this out before then. Okay, attempt number 7. Dude.
Yeah, bro.
Look at that.
Oh,
Let's go. Dude, you were up on a beach.
that was the culprit right there. Oh my God.
That's so much worse than I possibly imagined. No wonder you weren't going anywhere.
I was just stuck.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, the center frame of my car was just fucking stuck on that ice. But we did it.
Dude, let's go. Go, 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 straighten all the way back, and you're clear. Yep. Come a little bit more, driver, and then straighten out completely here. Straighten out completely. Dude, you're free! Yes! After all that, man. Holy cow.
How long was that, like an hour, 2 hours?
At least an hour.
Bro,
Dude.
look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That's insane. Look how deep you are.
That's nuts, dude. You were beached like a whale.
Can you stand in there just
Yeah,
so we
yeah.
can get some reference? Holy,
So,
dude, that's almost your kneecaps.
yeah, I know. I'm
Holy
not tall, but like, that's at least like a foot and a half,
Holy
right?
crap! Yep, I was a beached whale.
And then up here, dude, you can see the ground. You got all the way
Oh my god.
to the dirt road.
Yeah.
Right here. Yeah, this is up to my knee.
Holy shit.
That's up to my knee right there.
Well, that's why I was burning rubber.
Yeah. Okay, I think we really made the right move here in not trying to get the Jeep around, because you can see exactly where Ty's 2 tracks were right here and here. This was about as far as I could go before getting off on this side. And you can see how much I sank. I had to absolutely floor it. I wish I had filmed it, because honestly, I was struggling to get through a little bit of this because I'm going to have to break this ice. Yeah, I mean, either what I would have had to do is I would have ended up scraping side of his truck with the side of my Jeep, or I would have gotten over here, got myself stuck, or fallen off the cliff. So really glad we took the time and did that and didn't try and rush it and pull the Jeep through right there. And then we took it very slowly on the way down, needless to say. Honestly, what a wild series of events, and definitely some lessons learned. But that was easily a top off-roading day for me. When you know you're going to get the rig out eventually and you're not running up against daylight, the problem solving and trial and error can actually be more fun than the driving itself. With that said, my name is Merritt McKinney. Go check out my app Camber, and thanks for jeeping with me today.